How to set up the loyalty points in StreamElements. I've already made a video on how to make a loyalty store. Make sure to check that one out right here if you want to set up a store after you set up these points. And don't forget to stream smarter, not harder. I've also have a Twitch channel myself, twitch.tv/tree, link is down below in the description. And I'm also streaming on YouTube nowadays on youtube.com/treegameplay. Also, link is down below in the description. We're gonna go to streamelements.com. We're gonna log in or go to our dashboard. Then here on the left, we'll go to loyalty. Loyalty settings. We need to make sure that this button is enabled, otherwise it's off. Here we have our currency name. My name, Tree, means sweater in Dutch, so I thought it was funny to call my points sweaters. But you can call them anything. You can call them cookies or just points to keep it simple. So how many points do you viewers get from watching? I put it on 2 points. Here on the right, they will be listing what that means. So 2 sweaters every 10 minutes. So this 2 is per 10 minutes. Here we have subscriber bonus. Every subscriber that is watching is getting a bonus. We can give them up to 10 times more sweaters, but I'm just getting them on 2 times. Which means that if you're a subscriber to me, instead of 2 sweaters per 10 minutes, you get 4 sweaters per 10 minutes. Then we have other bonuses, a one-time bonus if we can speak. One-time follower bonus will give you 3 points. Again, we can just change all these numbers if you want. And again, it's displayed right here. Followers will get 3 points for following. If you tip, donate money via the StreamElements link, you get 2 more points. As we can see here, that is for every euro tipped. Here on the left, we see subscriber bonus. If somebody subscribes to your channel outside of the multiplier, if you just subscribe, you get 5 points. Again, it's going to be displayed here. All subscribers will receive 5 sweater points upon subscribing. If I change this to 6, we can see that the number here is also changing. Alright, cheer bonus. This is what you get for every 100 bits donated, is 1. Again, we will see all cheers will receive 1 sweater for every 100 bits. And we have a host bonus / raid bonus. Every time you get a raid, you get another bonus sweater. So all hosts will receive 1 sweater upon hosting. Now we know all the ways somebody can get sweater points. In your case, cookies, anything else, points. Loyalty points. How do they deserve these? These are different from the channel points on Twitch. I have to mention that because you might get confused because they're also points. Then here we can say which people can't get points. So people that can get points are basically a lot of bots are in here. And this is my old username. I didn't want to give myself points either. But right here we can see all these bots don't get the points because they're bots. I don't want, them to get points. And then if we're done, we can just click on save right here. And then if you go to your stream store and go to your open store, we can see here on the left, it will display exactly what we have typed in. So these are exactly the same things. 2 points per 10 minutes. That's basically the thing we saw on the right side. You'll see right here on the left side. So all viewers can see this information at any times on this page. So make sure to share this page with people as well, so they can see what things you have in your stream store and how they can get these points. Again, if you want to set up the stream store, you can check out my other video about the loyalty store. Another thing we need to do is we need to go to our own channel and go to our own chat by going here and then typing /mod StreamElements and then press enter. StreamElements is already a mod for me, but that doesn't matter. If you forget to do this step, you might run into some problems, so make sure to do this step anyway. It's never wrong to do it twice, but if you forget to do it, you might run into some problems. If you want to see more StreamElements, go here. There's a whole playlist of StreamElements videos. If you want to set up things in OBS, I do have a playlist right here with OBS tutorials. If you don't want to miss anything, subscribe right here. And if you don't want to miss anything of my gameplay channel, where I stream as well and make cool videos and shorts and everything like that, go there. I'll see you there.